Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this gorgeous 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Quad Cab 4x4. Under the hood, you're going to find the legendary 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the absolutely gorgeous granite crystal metallic paint color that pairs beautifully with all of the chrome detailing, including your back and front bumpers, the side steps, and those 20-inch wheels. This will come with a full safety inspection. We are going to take you through this quickly, but if you have any additional questions or you just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this factory remote with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll just give you a quick close-up shot of these wheels and tires. And then in the front here, you do have beautiful fog lights, and again, this gorgeous paint color. We'll try to get a close-up shot of it. The 1500 decaling. You do have signal light indicators on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature. Those are also towing mirrors, because this does come with the optional towing group. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. Lots of storage in the door, including side steps. Mats and carpets are in excellent condition. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support. And then you get these gorgeous, modern, premium cloth seats throughout. They're super comfortable. On your steering wheel, you have cruise control and shifting options to the right, to the left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, and then behind my fingers there, you do have audio-mounted controls, allowing you to change the station source and volume, all while keeping your hands safely where they need to be. You have power pedals and a tilt and telescopic option, so you're going to be able to find the perfect position for you. Fully automatic headlights, 10,614 kilometers on this currently, so low mileage. To the right, you have your push button start and your dial shifting knob with 4x4 options. Up top here, we'll just give you a quick shot here. Nice clean dash, Ram detailing up top with a bit of extra storage and a 12-volt outlet. AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. You do have a disc player, Bluetooth auxiliary for your media, and USB also, beautiful backup camera, an app screen, a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone, settings, and a compass. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for your climate, including air conditioning, trailer brake control, tow haul traction control, and all of your media ports are down below. So lots of space in the center console, and we'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. I should also mention this is Google Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible as well. Locking glove compartment, you have some additional space above that with the Bighorn badging. You have illuminated vanity mirrors up above, sunglass storage, interior cabin lighting, your rear sliding window, and garage door transmitters. As we head into the back, remember this is a quad cab. The door opens nice and wide, so it makes getting anything in and out easier. Storage behind the seats. It is a 60-40 split back here. You do have an armrest with 2 cup holders. And then the bottoms of the seats lift up easily, and you get all sorts of storage if you need that. So again, your rear sliding window, the back bed is lined for added durability. You do have tie-down hooks in the 4 corners as well. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. This is an absolutely gorgeous truck. If you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.